Hi, I'm Hi April. Today I'm going to share with you the way we can filter H unique values on column in Excel VBA. Let's get started. We have the workbook like this. Our mission today is create the ad hoc sheet. Then we copy all the data on column D to the ad hoc sheet. After that, we remove duplicate the data to get the unique values, and finally got the unique value. We will filter its unique values on the worksheet source on the column D. So now we need to the source worksheet source will have the sheet code is 61. So now we will write our code on the VS Code right here. First, we need to the subtitle of this function of this button. So our sub is filter unique values and sub. And now we need to turn off the notification with application and with show screen updating equal false dot displays alerts equal false. Okay, after turn off the notification, we need to turn it on back to get the Microsoft Excel at the normal status after run our code. So we need to with application and with dot screen updating equal true dot displays alerts equal true. We also need the tick error before our code, so we will use on error. Go to error shift dash handler. To show the error handler, we will write error handler colon. So debug dot print is mean ring out the error. So error dot number is mean the number of the error, and comma error dot description, the description of our error number. So we also need the message box. After filter on the value, we will write msg box question mark. The filter has been completed. Comma the title Hi April. Okay, our code will write from line 9. So first we need to declare our report workbook. So right here we will dim report workbook as the workbook. Okay, and we will set the report workbook equal to rt workbook. Now we need to clear the filter and delete the ad hoc sheet right here. We need to delete the ad hoc sheet to avoid in case the end user press the button one more time if the ad hoc sheet still exists in the workbook. So without the trap error, the ad hoc sheet will show our code will get the bug. The code our main code will get the debug. So we need to delete the ad hoc sheet to avoid this case. To clear the filter and delete the ad hoc, I will declare WS as the worksheet. And now we will use the loop for us the worksheet for WS in report workbook worksheet. And next WS. To clear the filter, we will use WS auto filter mode. auto filter mode equal false. It means clear the workbook, clear the filter on each worksheet of workbook. Okay, clear the filter on the worksheet. So the next we need to delete the ad hoc sheet. So to delete the ad hoc sheet with name the ad hoc, I will use the if sentence. If ws.name equal question mark ad hoc, then and if ws.delete. Okay, net not mess. Okay, we complete with the clear filter and delete ad hoc sheet. Now we need to add the ad hoc sheet. So to add the ad hoc sheet, we use sys.add, open the brackets. After comma equal to sys, open the brackets, sys.count, and at the end we will use doc name equal the ad hoc. Okay, now I will get the notion right here for create no add hoc sheet. Okay. Now we need to find the last row on the sheet source to copy all the data on column D. Then after that we will paste on the ad hoc sheet at the destination is A1. Don't worry about the data on the sheet ad hoc sheet because before paste the data on ad hoc sheet we already delete the ad hoc sheet. After that we add the new ad hoc sheet. It means the ad hoc sheet without the data on it. So we just find the copy all the data of table on column D, then paste to copy it. So I will use right here. First we need to find the last row, so I will declare last row O1 as long and give the last row O1 equal to report workbook dot worksheet sys1 dot name. Use the sysgo is sys1 because worksheet sort had a sys1. Sysgo is sys1 dot range. So I will use column D to find the last row. So our D and symbol and rows dot count dot and open brackets is our dot row. It really okay. So I will cut it. Okay. To make it short, we can key it within the with and in with sentence. Now we need to copy and paste. Copy and paste to A1 on ad hoc sheet right here. To copy the data, now report workbook dot worksheet dot worksheet sys1 dot name dot range. So our data start from D6 column D and last row O1 dot copy. So right here copy, then we need the destination. It means the page rank. In this case, we will use the page number, page and format number to get just the value without the format. So now we need to report worksheet ad hoc. Okay, dot rank A1 dot page special. Okay, page colon equal to Excel page value and number formats. After paste the value to the destination, we need to remove all the selection around the copy rank. To remove it, we use the application dot cut copy mode equal false. Now we complete the copy and paste value. Right here, I can copy that and paste to the ad hoc sheet right here to you. Now we need to find the last row on the ad hoc sheet. Then after that, we need to remove the duplicate. To find the last row on the ad hoc sheet and remove the duplicate is on the action is all the actions are on the worksheet ad hoc. So I will use the with report of book dot worksheet. Okay, report of book dot worksheet ad hoc. Open the brackets and question mark ad hoc and what. First we need to find the last row, so we will declare last row O2 as long and give the last row O2 equal dot rank A and rows dot count dot n e open the brackets Excel up dot row. Now we need to remove the duplicate after get the last row. So we will use rank A1 colon A and last row O1. O2 dot remove duplicates. So with the column is only column 1, so we use the column equal 1 and comma header comma equal Excel no without a header. Okay, so now I need to cut it onto the next row to make it shorter to easy watches. After remove the duplicate, we need to refine the last row of this data. So now we need to dim last row O3 as long and give the last row O3 equal to dot rank A and rows dot count dot n Excel up dot row. That's the way we refine the last row. So need the notion right here. Refine last row after moving duplicate values. Okay, right here. Now we need to after get the data filter. Oh no. Okay, again. Okay. Now we need to get the filter rank. Before get the filter rank, we need to clear the data about the header table. So clear data about header above header by reprobable dog versus one dog name dog rent our. So we can select the B cell B4 or A4. It's up to you. It's okay because we will use the sentence entire row. So in this case, I will use the B4 dot entire row dot clear content. Okay, that's the clear data about the header. We also need to define the okay, because it had the one reproducible one dot name, so I will give it within the width and end width. So width and width. Okay, delete it and tab it. And now we need to define the filter range. So we need to dim filter range RNG. I use the short name filter RNG to display for the full name filter range as range. Because we declare it's the range, so we need to set filter RNG equal dot print our table start from B5, so I can use question mark B5 dot current region. Just the way we can use when we selected all the data start from one cell, like in the essay you just select the B5 and after that so use the combination Control A in the window and Command A in the Mac. On Mac it will select all the data within the table for you. So that's the way we use the current region, or you can use the sentence usage range to replace the current region. It's okay. We also need to define the range of the filter value range on the sheet ad hoc sheet. So we need to define the filter value on the sheet ad hoc sheet. To define the value on the sheet ad hoc sheet, we will use the declare SA01. SA stands for High April. 01 is mean in case we had more value within our project. So in this case I will declare SA01 as range. It means the filter range. So now we will start with the filter by filter is the value in range. So now we will use the look for SA01 in report workbook dog process ad hoc dog range A1 to A and last row 03. Last row 03 is the last row after we remove the duplicate, so last row 03 is right here. So we use last row 03. Okay, and next SA01. Okay, now we will start with the width filter range, filter RNG and width. And to turn on the filter, we dot auto filter with fill ELD column equal. Fill is mean the column we will apply the filter. In this case, we will start from the cell B5. It means column B is field 1 and continue to count CE field 2 and D. The column we want to apply the filter is field 3. In this case, field 3. and column, comma, character A1 colon equal our condition for the future value is H801 dot value. Dot value. Okay. When we get the filter to the last value on the future value range, we need to remove. We need to show on data. So in that, we will use the sentence sys1 dot show on data. To use the show on data, we need to put it in the on error. Go resume next. Okay, resume next to ignore on the error, and to turn it off the function ignore on the error. So we need to use the on error. Go to to return the normal status, no ignore the error. So when we use the function on error, session on error resume next, we need to optimize on our code within the on error resume next to avoid many actions in this case. Well, and we also use it for the specific case. We know the result when we ignore the error, and we know exactly the error when we use it. Okay, and then we just filter as the value in filter as the value. So now we need to copy and paste it to the VBA. So turn on the VBA. Okay, we also need to remove the right here. We will copy our code to the model Excel VBA 25 and paste it. To run Excel, I need to turn it off the screen updating. To run each line of code for your reference. Now first, we will start with the Command Shift I on Mac, and if you use the Windows, so you can use the shortcut F8 on your window. First, set the workbook, remove the filter, remove the ad hoc sheet. It's also delete the ad hoc sheet. You can see here the ad hoc sheet already deleted. Now we add the ad hoc sheet. Okay, ad hoc sheet has been added. Okay, now we will go to the find the last row on the worksheet source and copy and paste to the ad hoc sheet. After paste it, we will remove the duplicate, find the last row and remove the duplicate. You can see here, remove duplicate. Okay, we also have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unique value to filter right here. Okay, now we get back to the worksheet source to see our action right here. Clear data about the header before, so and set the filter range. Now we filter its value. Okay, first and field 3. Now you can see that the filter function has been turned on, and the column D is the column which apply our filter, and the first value is the high January, like right here, high Jan. Okay, and after filter we use the next show on the data, and now we go to the next loop filter high February. This is just a simple example. Filter as the value, So in the next video I will use this case to filter as unique values and then space the value to the next column for your preference. In this video we just start from the filter as unique value for your preference, the processing right here. Okay, after filter on the function on the value, we go to the message box. The filter has been completed. Now that's the end for our video today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Thanks and see you on the next video. See ya.